27 cross keys.
Flying W distance on the next Halloween.
Blown a little bit. Is there still power?
Yeah. So, pull all your power out across the number.
Pull it all out across the numbers.
Turning left east on 27 cross key.
God damn it. Yeah, 1-4 hotel's going around. Now I look good. I think I'm worried about where we're going.
Yeah.
Crosskeys traffic, 1-4 hotel, turning final for 27 Crosskeys. I feel like I'm...
Pull all your power out.
Yep. Last notch flaps.
So what's happening is you're getting some lift over the trailer park because those trailers heat up faster than the rest of the ground.
Yep. Not anticipating the crosswind,
Yeah.
Not anticipating the float.
Yeah. When something happens to your airplane, you're not doing anything. All right.
The 1-4 hotel is final for 27 Crosskeys. Alright, we're good on speed. We're good. I think we're good all around here. Got a little bit of a crab in. So that's where I'm having a problem is getting that angle in.
Well, we really don't put that wing down until we're just about ready to touch down. Keep it down. Keep the swing down. And keep your plane going straight with your right rudder.
I wasn't giving it enough right rudder.
Crosskeys, pitch number 2 is left out 127. Crosskeys VI, pitch number 1.
These winds are deceiving as hell.
Yeah. Well, plus they're switching around from a headwind to a tailwind.
You're clear. Looks like an Owl Pits Club.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, baby. Passed over.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That center line.
Don't make your nose drop. That one, yeah. Now, if that armrest is getting in your way, tuck your elbow into your side.
Gotcha. No, I was fine. I just was not, you know.
Yeah. So as you touch down, you're going to increase this.
Yeah.
But that was much better. But your pattern
Thank
was
you.
all whacked.
Yeah, it was.
Which made it kind of
Well,
hard.
also this heading indicator got screwed up on me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's because this thing doesn't like to keep suction at idle. So
Oh, yeah. That's way off.
yeah. So I was looking at that and I was like, all right, now I'm gonna have to kind of try to do it a little more visual. Right.
Over traffic, Cessna 13 entering upwind, over.
Oh, that's it. Keep that wing down. Keep that wing down. Nice. Keep it in. Increase it. Hold it. You're really resisting. You got to get your arm off of it. I know you don't think it's bothering you, but you can't turn that. There's no way to turn that wrist
I don't think my arm's sitting on it. I really don't.
or something. There's something that's stopping you from getting this.
You really want it that far? What's stopping me
Yeah.
is I'm afraid of rolling the damn thing
No.
over.
No, because the problem is what's going on is it's getting lifted up
Yeah.
like this.
Downwind.
It's definitely a little bit of apprehension of getting having too much of a
Yeah,
of a
so
pitch there or a roll
So
going on.
as you land, you're gonna increase this. As your wheels touch down, you can increase it a little bit more.
Gotcha.
Put it down for you. But that was perfect.
No, don't.
It was.
Come
No,
on.
it was. I mean, you
Thanks.
got that little bit of lift there. You pulled the
Yeah.
rest of the power out. You added your flaps in early. Your airspeed looked really good for the conditions for the day.
Cool. All right, I'll take it.
Yeah. Because what happens if you don't keep that wing down, it'll go up again on you.
I thought I had it down that whole time. That was weird. I was
What
not
happens
expecting.
is once you start to flare, you
I'm
take it out.
Taking it out.
Yeah, when you
Shit.
start to flare, you want to actually increase it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But that was good. I didn't think you were going to get down. I thought your airspeed was going to come up too high. So.
All right. Crossie's traffic stop 14 Hotel is turning final for 27 Crossie's. Jesus Christ.
Good job.
Thank you. Oh.
Keep this almost all the way.
We're done.
Turn like this once we're down. Because part of it is we stay flying,
Yeah.
or our wings stay with a lot of lift in it for a good while after we keep taxiing. So that's why it's kind of, you feel like, oh no, I'm getting drifted. Well, yeah, you are, because your airplane kind of still flying, but kind of not, because your wheels are on the ground.
Dear Papa, climbing out of the pattern to the west this time.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
well, we turned in on base really early. Go ahead and go around.
All right. Thank you.
Good job. That's
Holy
good. You
shit.
just stay with it. Let
Yep.
it bleed off. Nothing you can do. It's good. Oh, it's definitely the best. So that was the last.
Alright, cool. That's a good one to end it on. I'll take that. Man.
Yeah, that is a good fight.
Yeah,